Apple appears to be preparing one of its boldest and most strategic moves in years with the upcoming iPhone 17e, rumored for an early 2026 release. This device isn't just another annual refresh. It could completely redefine what consumers expect from a mid-range iPhone. For the first time in a long while, Apple seems determined to deliver true flagship-level performance at a fraction of the cost, an approach that could shake up the company's entire pricing and sales strategy. According to multiple industry sources and leaks from the supply chain, Apple is partnering with display giants like BOE, Samsung Display, and LG Display to produce the iPhone 17e with remarkable efficiency. These partnerships suggest Apple is balancing high-quality production with cost control, paving the way for a highly competitive price point rumored to be around $599. If true, that would make the 17e one of the best value-for-money devices Apple has ever released. Design-wise, Apple seems to be taking a significant leap forward. The iPhone 17e will reportedly retain the LTPS panel technology from its predecessor, the 16e, but the bezels will be thinner, creating a more immersive and modern appearance. The result is a device that looks and feels far more premium than its price suggests. Another major change is the rumored inclusion of the dynamic island, previously a feature reserved for Apple's Pro models. This not only elevates the 17es design, but adds functional sophistication, allowing users to interact with live activities, notifications, and real-time updates in a seamless and visually engaging way. It's a clever move that makes the 17e feel like a flagship, even though it's positioned in the mid-range category. The real surprise, however, lies beneath the surface. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17e will feature Apple's powerful A19 chip, the same processor expected in the flagship iPhone 17 lineup. This is almost unprecedented for Apple, as the company typically reserves its latest chips for premium models. With this change, users can expect near-flagship computational performance, lightning-fast app responsiveness, and advanced AI processing capabilities that rival high-end devices. The GPU may be slightly toned down compared to the flagship version, potentially featuring 4 cores instead of 5, but for everyday use, gaming, multitasking, and photography, the difference will likely be negligible. This move could completely change the mid-range smartphone landscape, offering buyers performance and longevity previously only available in models twice the price. On the camera front, Apple seems to be focusing improvements where users will notice the most. The front-facing camera is rumored to get a big upgrade to an 18-megapixel sensor with center-stage technology. This means clearer selfies, better low-light performance, and more natural video calls, perfect for social media, vlogging, and FaceTime. The rear camera will reportedly keep the 48-megapixel sensor from the iPhone 16e, which is already a solid performer for most users. Instead of chasing higher megapixel counts, Apple is optimizing quality and efficiency, ensuring the best possible experience without driving up production costs unnecessarily. Production estimates indicate that Apple plans to ship around 8 million units in the first half of 2026, signaling strong confidence in the 17es potential. The target audience is broad: students, first-time iPhone buyers, budget-conscious consumers, and even loyal users upgrading from older models who don't want to pay flagship prices. By offering near-premium performance at an accessible price, Apple is positioning the 17e to compete directly with popular mid-range and even premium smartphones from Samsung, Google, and Xiaomi. The iPhone 17e is also expected to benefit from the A19 chip's advanced AI and AR capabilities, offering smoother augmented reality experiences, enhanced multitasking, and improved energy efficiency. It will likely receive software updates for at least 5 to 6 years, a huge plus for buyers who value long-term reliability. This extended support, combined with the expected performance longevity of the A19 chip, makes the 17e a future-proof purchase for years to come. Beyond performance, Apple is clearly focusing on the user experience and ecosystem integration that make its products stand out. The 17e will reportedly work seamlessly with Apple Watch, AirPods, Mac, iPad, and services like iCloud, Apple Music, and Fitness Plus. This interconnected ecosystem ensures users get the full Apple experience even at a lower price tier. The inclusion of Dynamic Island further enhances this integration, making notifications, calls, and live updates more engaging and intuitive. Durability and build quality also seem to be key considerations. The iPhone 17e is expected to feature improved water and dust resistance, stronger ceramic shield glass, and a more robust chassis design. Combined with the A19 chip's efficient thermal performance, these upgrades will ensure the device remains durable and reliable even under heavy daily use. Reports also suggest that Apple may include next-generation wireless connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E or possibly Wi-Fi 7, which would guarantee ultra-fast, low-latency performance for streaming, gaming, and video calls. This combination of affordability, flagship performance, and ecosystem integration could make the iPhone 17e one of the most important devices Apple has released in years. It's designed not just to attract new customers, but to shift the perception of what a mid-range smartphone can be. In markets where price sensitivity is high, such as developing regions, this model could dramatically expand Apple's reach and user base. By providing near-flagship experiences at a much lower cost, Apple could significantly boost its market share and strengthen loyalty to its brand and services. What makes the 17e truly intriguing is how it blurs the lines between mid-range and flagship categories. Apple seems to be adopting a new product philosophy, one where consumers don't have to compromise heavily on performance or features just to save money. The A19 chip, Dynamic Island, upgraded cameras, durable build, and deep ecosystem integration all combine to create a device that feels premium without the premium price tag. It's not just another iPhone. It's a statement about where Apple wants to take the future of its smartphone lineup. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17e could easily become the sleeper hit of 2026, a device that dominates sales charts and redefines what consumers expect from mid-range phones. It could even make older flagship devices feel outdated, offering almost identical performance at a much lower price. In a market where innovation often comes at an increasingly steep cost, Apple's rumored strategy with the 17e could be a game-changer. It might not just be a smart purchase. It could become one of the most iconic devices in Apple's modern history, reshaping the smartphone industry and setting a new benchmark for value, performance, and design.